Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a 3-layer 6-petal flower. For this project I am using a cotton yarn and a 3.5mm crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers and then make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the magic ring and pull the yarn. Now pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch. Now again repeat the same pattern. Pull the yarn through the magic ring and pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4 and complete 12 single crochet stitches. After completing 12 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to tie the ring and then go into the first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now for the second row, make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Instead of double crochet stitch, you can also make half double crochet stitch at this row. Now make chain 3, total of 6 chain, then wrap the yarn and skip second single crochet stitch and go into the third single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your double crochet stitch. This is counted as our second double crochet stitch. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now make chain 3 again, wrap the yarn, skip next single crochet stitch and into the next one make a double crochet stitch. Now again make chain 3, skip one single crochet stitch, into the next one make a double crochet stitch. So this is the pattern for second row. Repeat this pattern till the end. After completing this and making last chain 3, into the top of chain 3 make a slip stitch to finish your second row. Now we are going to start our first layer of petals. So wrap the yarn, go into the chain 3 space here, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, pull the yarn, then pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make your double crochet stitch. This is our double crochet 1. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches for our petal, now make a half double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through all 3 loops as we have done in the start. Total of 7 stitches for our petal, 5 double crochet stitches and 2 half double crochet stitches in the start and the end. Now make a slip stitch to finish this petal into the double crochet stitch and then for the second petal into the next chain 3 space make half double crochet stitch and then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, half double crochet. After making 5 double crochet stitches, in the last make half double crochet stitch and then make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch. Repeat the same process. So after completing all the petals, pull the yarn and remove your crochet hook, go into the top of chain 3 from the back side and then pull this loop with the help of crochet hook to the back side. After taking this loop to the back side, pull the yarn tight, and we are going to make a single crochet stitch. It's a little bit difficult, so pull the yarn like a post stitch through this chain 3 and then pull the yarn through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. And after making a single crochet stitch, make chain 5. For the next petal we are going to change our pattern, so make chain 5 and pull the yarn through the next double crochet stitch and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch, and again make chain 5. After making chain 5 into the next double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. So repeat the same pattern till the end of the row, and after finishing this, now for the second petal row, again start with half double crochet stitch. Now make your double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9. After completing 9 double crochet stitches, make a half double crochet stitch in the end. So this is our first petal. Now go into this single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. Now turn the second petal down and go into this next chain 5 space and make your first half double crochet stitch, and now make 9 double crochet stitches. Again double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After completing 9 double crochet stitches, make a half double crochet stitch. You can pull the stitches if there is a need in case of less space. So repeat the same pattern and complete your second row. After completing your second row, again pull the yarn and from the back side go into this single crochet stitch of our chain 5 row and then take this loop to the back side. After taking this loop to the back side, now with the help of crochet hook go through this single crochet stitch like this as we are making a post stitch, and pull the yarn and then pull through 2 loops to make your first single crochet stitch for the third layer. Now make chain 7 as we have done chain 3 in the first layer, chain 5 in the second layer, and for the third layer make chain 7. Then go into this second single crochet stitch and pull the yarn through this stitch and then make a single crochet stitch. This is the chain 7 space for first petal. Now again make chain 7. After making chain 7, go through the next single crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch and repeat the same pattern. So after completing the chain 7 layer, now we are going to start our third layer of petal. So again start with half double crochet stitch in the start and then continue making your double crochet stitches. This is our double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, double crochet 11. So I am having a little bit space, so that's why I am making 2 more double crochet stitches, double crochet 12 and double crochet 13, but you can make double crochet 11 if it's fine for you, but I am making 13 double crochet stitches. Then make a half double crochet stitch as regular and make a slip stitch to finish your first petal. Now again for the second petal start with half double crochet stitch and then complete your 11 or 13 double crochet stitches per your requirement. This is double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, double crochet 11, double crochet 12 and double crochet 13. After completing 13 double crochet stitches, go into the same space again and make your last half double crochet stitch, then make a slip stitch into the single crochet stitch to finish this off, and repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this and taking my yarn to the back side, I have cutted off the extra yarn. Now with the help of needle to these back side stitches of our first petal, I am going to weave this extra yarn to secure my work. So after weaving the extra yarn, cut this extra yarn tail. I have cutted the starting yarn tail already. So this is the flower, you can see. You can also add more layers like this. Like, share and subscribe.